what was passed in the CHIPS Act, which there's multiple definitions of what's included into it, but it's a pretty big package of, by some accounts, up to $250 billion. There is something called Division A in it, which is the CHIPS Act itself. There's additional money allocated for other things, right? We're also funding the National Science Foundation. There's a lot of research and development programs funded for semiconductors, but the CHIPS Act itself is focused on manufacturing, right? So it's about a $52 billion package to incentivize domestic manufacturing. That sounds like a big number. It's actually not. In fact, if you look at how much money China has put into incentivizing their domestic semiconductor manufacturing, it's about $50 billion. And these are incentives. You actually can't necessarily reshore all of the semiconductor manufacturing, even with this big bill. What you can do is incentivize companies to operate these fabs on American shores where normally labor prices are high, and in some cases there's really no expertise here that we will need to go develop and import. So it creates an incentive for companies to build in the United States, which is what's needed to rebalance that picture. I don't expect that 100% of all semiconductor manufacturing will be done in the United States in the future, but will be more than 12%, which is the main objective.